This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by Kathy Stinson. Introducing 15,831 Fern Basin, a spacious one-story nestled in the established neighborhood of Bear Creek Village. Open and inviting floor plan with high ceilings, natural lighting, and beautiful flooring. The island kitchen with a breakfast bar and separate dining area has beautiful saltillo tile flooring and a spacious family room with a cozy fireplace. The master suite has a large walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom with a shower, and large vanity. The 2 additional bedrooms are generously sized and share a full bathroom. The backyard is an entertainer's dream, with a large covered patio and plenty of space for outdoor activities. The yard is beautifully landscaped and offers plenty of privacy. Bear Creek Village offers its residents 2 pools, a playground, tennis courts, and a pickleball court. Elementary school in the neighborhood. No flooding during Harvey. Great location close with Bear Creek Park, hiking trails, shopping, and dining are all close by. Low taxes and HOA. For more information